So this is the Instapot Duo Crisp and air fryer in the 8-quart size. And I purchased this because it does so many things. It is definitely a staple in our family. I'll show you some of the settings right here so you can see what it does. It says it pressure cooks, saute, slow cook, steam, sous vide, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate. Nice thing about it is that it makes meal preparation so easy because you can do so many things inside of it. For instance, if I want to make a roast and I want to saute some vegetables or, brown the meat first, I can do all that on the saute setting. I can deglaze the inside to get the browning off and add that with some broth, and then just put everything in and cook the roast all in one container. So it just makes preparation so easy, and it speeds it up, especially on the pressure cooking setting. So it comes with so many different components. Let me show you. This is the air fryer basket right here. This is the internal stainless steel basket. This is a dehydrator steaming tray. And then it has this rack right here. This is important. This is for when the lid is hot and you want to set it on something. This is what you want to set it on. You want to set it directly on the counter. So it's nice that it comes with this rack for when your lid is hot. This is the regular lid when you want to use the slow cooker or pressure cooker settings. This is the lid you'll want to use. Up here you can see this is where the steam comes through, and this is to press it when you want to depressurize it after it's done cooking. It has a nice seal inside. It's very easy to clean. And then you have this lid, and this is what you use when you want to air fry. And so today, I'm actually going to use it as an air fryer because most people are familiar with using an Instapot for pressure cooking or slow cooking, but not so much. You don't see people using it as much for air frying. So I'm going to air fry some fish today, and I'm just going to demonstrate that. So I just sprayed a little cooking spray inside, and I'm going to get my fish. So because this is a basket, I'm able to put as much fish as I'd like in here. So I'm just going to put 2 pieces in here and just lay them in. It's really good. The basket format is really good for like fries or, tater tots or potatoes or onion rings, stuff like that. But it also works, for small quantities of food like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on, and I'm gonna select air fry. And for this, I do 15 minutes at 400 and start. You can hear it coming on. All right, it's counting down on the last minute, so we're almost there now. Here we go, it's done. All right, and so now it's shut off. So I'm going to just use the handle, take it up, set this on the rack, and then you can see what it looks like. Let me okay, so these handles are really hot, so you don't want to grab them without any oven mitts or anything like that, but there you go. That's what the fish looks like. It looks really nice and crispy, and I am pleased with it. So we've been using this for a while now. I use it mostly for pressure cooking and slow cooking. I do use it to cook my potatoes. If I want to make mashed potatoes, I just cook them in here for 15 minutes and it makes it perfect. But I love this Instapot. It does so many things, and it is definitely a time saver and do so many things. So if you're looking for an all-in-one functioning cooker, this I recommend. And I have the 8-quart one because we have a bigger family, so we need a larger one. So definitely recommend this.